How to send photos with original file size quality for iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The Photos app is where all your pictures and videos are stored. Once inside, select the photo you wish to share from your library. Now, tap on the Share icon, located in the bottom left corner of the screen. From the list of apps, tap on AirDrop. This will search for nearby Apple devices to share with. AirDrop sends the original file without compression. Alternatively, find and tap on the Mail application icon. This opens a new email with your photo attached in full quality. Fill in the recipient details and tap the Send icon. Following these steps, you can easily send photos with their original file size on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.